Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Stock Pro. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀, a SEBI registered research analyst, and today I want to request you all, in case you made money in Sham Century, you made money in Tata Power, you made money in Sharda, Propcom, please give a thumbs up, please share my video with others, please, it's all free, like even my videos are not monetized. So I'm doing all the research for you, and I'm also doing it to help people make money, right? In case you have earned money, please give a thumbs up, please write a comment. You can go back to Tata Power, you can go to the Sharda Propcom, or you can go to the Sham Century and write your comment over there. I simply request you, you don't have to do any payment, you have to do nothing. Simply go there and give a thumbs up or write a comment, or write a comment in this video itself. You can follow me at various places. You can go to my website, you can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Telegram, wherever you want, right? Again, I'm back with a very beautiful stock. I'm going to discuss its fundamentals. तो मैं आप लोगों को एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं कब स्टॉक में एंट्री लेना पसंद करती हूँ। मैं स्टॉक में एंट्री लेना पसंद करती हूँ जब स्टॉक अंडर वैल्यूड हो, नॉट जब स्टॉक में एक ब्रेकआउट आ जाए। जैसे मैंने आपको टाटा पावर दिया था बाय के लिए 243 के ऊपर, राइट? आज इसने 295 का भी हाई लगाया, राइट? सिमिलरली जब मैंने आपको टाटा एलेक्साई दिया था 6600 पे था, इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 9300। तो मुझे अंडर वैल्यूड स्टॉक चाहिए, and it should be backed by some information, some news, some good fundamentals. तो आज मेरे पास इसी तरह का एक स्टॉक है जिसके बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट? कीप इट ऑन रडार। एक दिन, 2 दिन, 10 दिन, जब भी ब्रेकआउट आएगा आप इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट गुड रिटर्न्स। अभी स्टॉक का वैल्यू कुछ अबाउट 259 पे है, बट मेरा टारगेट इसके लिए कम से कम इसमें मेरा टारगेट है 300 का। वो 300 को क्रॉस कर जाता है तो 350 400 का टारगेट भी है। चलते हैं और डिस्कस करते हैं कि कौन सा स्टॉक है जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं। तो द स्टॉक हियर इज PNC Infra, right? So I'm going to be talking about PNC Infra, quality construction play with attractive valuations, right? The valuations are very attractive, that you need to remember. And why is it going to be an attractive investment? I'm going to discuss all the points with you. So once again, I'm your host, Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀, SEBI registered research analyst. I'm expecting you all to at least share my video with at least 1 or 2 more people, right? In your friends, each one of you, right? Promise me that you will do it. A lot of people are losing money in the stock market, and I promise to give you the best research. In case you want to get in touch with my team regarding anything, you want to trade, you want to know how to put the stop loss, or whether should you continue holding, you can contact my team in any of these things. So now let's talk about this stock called PNC Infra, right? After a lull in the new order wins in the past 4-5 months, PNC recently won a spate of new road projects, and this has put some shine on the revenue. तो अभी क्या हो रहा था, पिछले कई सालों से property is almost heading in the downward direction, right? Now there are some green shoots that have come up. First and foremost, PNC Infra जो है ये रोड प्रोजेक्ट्स में काफी काम करते हैं. दे आर बिल्डिंग अप रोड्स, एंड अभी जो जल जीवन जो गवर्नमेंट की एक पॉलिसी लॉन्च हुई है, they have received almost like 7,000 crore orders in that. And beyond that, a lot of other things that I'm going to be discussing with you, which makes the valuation very reasonable. So their order flow is really strong in the past 1 month. Then expected moderation in competitive intensity of road projects to be beneficial. There is really a lesser competition in road projects. Then huge growth opportunities in road and water segment. Then strong project execution capabilities along with focus on maintaining balance sheet strength valuation, attractive post steep correction, right? All of it is looking very good at this point of time. सबसे पहली बात तो that they have a strong infrastructure in place for road projects. Then they have got orders, and government की ये जो जल जीवन सुविधा है उसमें they have bagged a huge order, right? Now let's come back to here. Infrastructure development remains the key focus area of government, with the significant increase seen in capital spent on infrastructure in recent budget. The infrastructure space, road and water, which are the key segment of PNC Infratech operations. Current price is roughly about 258 or 259. Market cap is almost like 6,500 crores. Have strong growth opportunities. Then PNC with strong execution capabilities and a track record of financial prudence would be the key beneficiary of the increased infrastructure spend, and in our conviction pick in the construction space. The stock has corrected to about 35% its all-time high in October 2021 and provides a good entry point. As I told you कि मुझे हमेशा स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करना तब पसंद होता है जब वो अंडरवैल्यूड होता है, राइट? अंडरवैल्यूड होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं, दैट्स व्हेन आई वुड लाइक टू enter in the stock, right? Now, recent order wins lead to companies surpassing order inflow guidance. PNC's order inflows from the year 2022 period were weak, with the company receiving orders worth only rupees 2,700 crores compared to the top line of about 5,000 crores. However, in the past 1 month, the story has changed. From the latter part of the February 2022, the company has won 7 road hybrid annuity model projects, with bid project cost about 8,446 crores. With the new order wins, PNC has surpassed its order inflow guidance of rupees 8,000 crore for the current fiscal. The recent order wins significantly augment revenue visibility for the next 2 to 3 years. तो क्या क्या important points है यहाँ पे? एक तो stock has corrected almost like 35%. Second, they have received a huge order, right? And all put together, the profitability will go up, right? And I'm going to share a few more points where you will understand how the company's been performing, right? Competition intensity to moderate in road projects. Recently, the government changed the bidding rules for road projects, which form about 70% of the company's order book. The government has reinstated the requirement for providing the bid security for executing road projects in both the HAM and engineering, procurement and construction EPC modes. Also, the government has now come up with bidding capacity norms. New players which have taken a lot of projects in the past 2 years will have lower bidding capacity. मतलब आप समझे, PNC इंफ्रा के पास अभी तक ज्यादा ऑफर्स नहीं थे. बहुत सारी कंपनीज जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी बिड कर रखा है डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे, बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उनके पास बिडिंग कैपेसिटी नहीं है. Whereas PNC Infra, because they were going through a lull period, उनके पास bidding capacity है, right? So factors like these will reduce the competitive intensity in the road project, thereby benefiting incumbent players like PNC. Highway construction to pick up huge opportunities under Jal Jeevan Mission, right? So what is Jal Jeevan Mission? It is government's policy to provide water in almost all the villages, in most of the villages. So here it says both the key segments of the company's operations like road and water have presented strong growth opportunities. Road development remains the key focus area, with the government planning to build 25,000 kilometers of highways in the next fiscal. This is almost double the record levels witnessed in year 2021. The union budget for 2023 allocation of the road and highways was increased by a stellar 70% to 1.98 lakh crore, right? So the union budget itself has been increased by almost like 2 lakh crores, right? And a lot of money is being spent in developing the infrastructure, particularly providing roads and water. Now, national highway construction and awarding were affected in October 2021 to February 2022 and were down 41 and 13% year-on-year basis. Now, respectively, thanks to the extended rainfall, the third wave of COVID-19, as well as elections in the key states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Uttarakhand. However, we expect a strong pickup in the next fiscal. The government is also increasing spending on the Jal Jeevan Mission to provide safe drinking water in rural households. In year 22-23 budget, the union government's capital spending under the mission was increased 33% to 60,000 crore. And on top of it, PNC has received contract for supplying drinking water to almost like 5,000 villages. So far, the project's worth is expected to be about 7,000 crore once physical approval are received, and as expects revenue to accrue from the current quarter. Early project competition bonus. So these PNC Infra has completed a Purvanchal Express Highway from Sansarpur to Govindpur in Uttar Pradesh, and they received almost like 82.68 crores as early completion bonus, right? PNC is among the few companies that have focused on keeping leverage under check and maintaining balance sheet strength. Now, rather than studying the company's fundamentals, I'm going to take you to the screener.in. So here is PNC Infra. The market cap is about 6,732 crores. And look at the stock PE. It's placed very reasonably. 14 के आसपास है करीब PE. ROCE and ROE both are looking extremely good to about both of them at 18%. Now, companies के pros क्या है? Company is expected to give good quarters. One, company has delivered good profit growth of 19-20% CAGR over 5 years. Debtors days have improved, right? Now let's come down to the sales. अगर आप year on year basis पे देखते हो 2019 से लेके आज तक, the sales have definitely gone up by almost like 50%. And if you see the operating profit margins, they have been maintaining very decent operating profit margins. Then let's see what is happening to the reserves. Reserves are about 3,240 crores, whereas borrowings are also pretty much high, right? Which can be understood when we're talking about the large infrastructure companies. This could be understandable. Now, the point that I really like about any company is I want to see what is happening to their cash from operating activity. If you see, they have been generating quite decent cash from the operating activity. March 2018, almost like 600 crores, 2019, about 200 crores, 2020, 500 crores, 2021, 186 crores, right? And they have been generating pretty good, they have a pretty good net cash flow. Again, a very, very important point. And debtor days, as I explained you, have gone down. And let's have a look at the promoters holding. So promoters have been holding consistently 56.07%, and FIIs have increased their holdings, right? Now it stands at almost like 11%. And DIIs are also having about 30% stake in the company, and public has only 4%, right? So a lot of positives about the company. Now let me take you to the company's stock price. So this is how stock stands. At one point of time, the stock made a high of 394, 400 का high लगाया था, right? और उसके बाद the stock made a low of almost like 230, 240. I think it should be about 80% correction in the price. And now, after almost making a double bottom, have a look at it. It is making a double bottom, right? And the price is stagnant out here, right? This is where the price is stagnant. Where am I going to buy in this particular stock? I will be buying at about 270. Suppose by any chance price goes down, I'll keep on accumulating till about 230. अगर 230 के नीचे जाता है, then I will exit my stock. So my entry price is going to be 270. My accumulation zone will be till 230. Below 230, I will exit. And above 270, my targets are going to be, first target मेरा जो रहेगा 300 का target रहेगा, right? That's my first target. The second target is going to be 320. And after 320, next target is going to be 350, 345, 350. And the final target is going to be 400. And the time span जो मुझे लगता है लेना चाहिए हमको अपने अकाउंट में, it should be about 1 year. तो एक साल में अगर आपका पैसा डबल हो जाता है तो क्या बुरा है, राइट? तो अगर आपको मेरी रिसर्च अच्छी लगती है, आपने पैसे बनाए, प्लीज like, share and subscribe, and share my video with others, because a lot of people will understand how to analyze a company, how to take an entry, how to exit, when to book profit, कहाँ पे accumulation करना है, कहाँ पे exit करना है, कहाँ पे entry लेनी है. इतना support आप लोगों से मुझे जरूर चाहिए. Take care, all the best. See you on my channel with some live trading tomorrow and almost every day. Bye bye. Take care.